Okay, today I'm gonna go through my closet and try on everything until I love it. The first victim of this series, dresses. So let's get started. Okay, first up, I love this dress. It's super unique. It's also textured. This is a cute little black dress. I love this dress, so yes. This dress I wear every year on my birthday, so I wanted to keep it. This one I really didn't know. It was a maybe. This blue dress is fabulous, so yes, absolutely kept it. The pink one I really didn't know, but I decided yes in the end. This dress super cute. The next dress makes me frolic in the woods, so absolutely yes, gotta keep her. I really love these long dresses nowadays, so yes, keep. This one was also a keep. I really loved this one. It's one of my favorites. The length, absolutely not. No, gotta get rid of her. Bye. Next, I love this jumpsuit. It's from Quince. It's so comfortable. This is an absolute no. Nope, pass. Bye. 90s shift dress. Yes, sign me up. So cute. I love the print on this one. This one's see-through, so I never wear it, so I decided no. Cute little black dress. I made this dress, so absolutely gotta keep her. I have nowhere to wear this dress, but absolutely have to keep her. This one's one of my favorites. I wear all the time. Unpopular opinion, I love this Ronald McDonald dress, so yes, I'm keeping them. And also, I love this one. It's from Free People, so yes, gotta keep her. I decided to pass on this one, and the last one is one of my faves.